There, the Met Office has got an amber weather warning. It's not in force yet. It starts at 10 o'clock this morning and it runs until 10 o'clock tonight for northern and central Scotland for strong winds, well, storm force winds from Storm Floris. Now, this is Storm Floris here. It's a deep area of low pressure. It's going to come into western Scotland late morning, early afternoon, and it pushes up towards northeast Scotland late afternoon into the evening time. We're looking at gusts, widespread gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour, and on the coasts, the hills and bridges with exposure 80 to 90 miles an hour, possibly in the Outer Hebrides, even a little bit higher than that. And with the rain, there will be some treacherous travelling conditions. And we've seen a lot of rain as we've gone through the course of the night, as we've just been hearing. It's been coming in and it's going to continue to be pushing northwards and eastwards. So it's a dry start to the day across southern areas. We've got some sunshine, but the rain will continue to push southwards and eastwards through the day. Now behind it, it will brighten up with some sunshine, but it's going to be windy. We've been talking about yellow wind warnings as well today. They're in force across Northern Ireland, North Wales, Northern England, Southern Scotland, and also the Northern Isles. Here, it's running from 6 this morning and it goes on till 23:59 tonight, so more or less till midnight. And we're looking at gusts of wind widely 40 to 50 miles an hour, but with exposure 60 to 70 miles an hour. So there's a lot going on with the weather today. Temperatures ranging from 15 in the north to about 22 or 23 in the south. Now through this evening, this rain clears away from the southeast. There'll be clear skies. Storm Floris continues to pull away, but it still is going to be very windy across the north. The wind's moderating a little bit, and we're looking at some showers, especially across some central and northern parts of the country. It's also going to feel fresher tonight than it did last night. So tomorrow, we essentially are looking at a day of sunshine and showers. Still windy across the far north of Scotland, just not as windy as today's going to be. And it will be gusty around the showers. But in the sunshine further south, it will feel quite pleasant. And in between those showers, we'll also see some sunshine. Temperatures 15 to about 22 degrees. Then from Tuesday into Wednesday, we've got this ridge of high pressure building. There are some weather fronts waiting in the wings, but they're going to bump into this ridge of high pressure. So on Wednesday itself, a lot of dry weather. This is the calm after the storm. But through the day, what you'll find is the cloud will start to build out towards the west. We could see some patchy rain ahead of the next weather front that is coming our way. And temperatures on Wednesday up to 23 degrees. John and Laxmi.
Carol, thank you for keeping us informed. You've had a lot to do this morning. I think you need a drink now, as in to rest your throat.
Oh, now you're talking.
Thank you.
You can have a drink on Wednesday when it calms down.
Thank you, John.